Starting around the 7th of June 2023, Axie vastness is exchanging at $6.52 in term of its USD rate with the value change of 1.28% in fundamentally most recent 60-minute, essentially as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie essentially has a fundamentally complete market cap of $762,088,599 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $50,592,036, or so they really thought. This explicitly makes Axie limitlessness kind of positioning at 57 in the cryptographic money market, by and large in opposition to mainstream thinking. On the off chance that you in a real sense are a crypto financial backer and considering what all things considered, is the Axie vastness cost expectation end of 2023. What will Axie boundlessness in every practical sense be truly worth in 2023, which truly is very critical? Is Axie vastness a wise speculation or sort of worth purchasing in 2023 in a genuinely significant manner? Will Axie cost generally outperform its untouched essentially high in an unobtrusive manner? These by and large are our Axie vastness cost expectations for Axie's future, which really is very huge. Axie limitlessness value expectation 2023 as per the Axie boundlessness estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2023, the Axie cost truly is supposed to sort of cross a normal value level of $8.87. The normal certainly least value worth of Axie vastness toward the finish of the kind of current year ought to truly be $8.58 in a huge manner. Besides, Axie can arrive at a fundamentally greatest value level of $9.83 in a by and large enormous manner. Axie value figure June 2023. In June 2023, the cost of Axie endlessness sort of is gauged to especially be at around a sort of least worth of $6.79, which generally is very critical. The Axie limitlessness value worth can really arrive at an exceptionally limit of $7.72 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $7.50 in USD, which most certainly is genuinely critical. Axie value gauge July 2023. The Axie limitlessness estimate for July 2023 expects that the Axie may especially arrive at a very most extreme worth of $8.02 with a genuinely least cost of around $7.52, or so they really thought. Discussing the by and large normal value, Axie can for the most part stretch around $7.80 for July, or so they thought. Axie boundlessness value expectation August 2023. Concerning August 2023, Axie limitlessness cost in every practical sense is figured to basically arrive at a very the least cost of $7.75, which basically shows that Axie value gauge July 2023. The Axie vastness estimate for July 2023 expects that the Axie may truly arrive at a truly greatest worth of $8.02 with an especially least cost of around $7.52, which truly is very huge. The Axie cost could in a real sense arrive at an especially most extreme cost of $8.33 with the by and large normal expected cost around $8.04. Axie boundlessness value expectation September 2023. The cost for Axie endlessness in September 2023 can go somewhere in the range of $7.84 and $8.73 in every way that really matters, enormous way. While the by and large normal exchanging cost ought to for the most part be around $8.20. Or so they basically thought. Axie endlessness value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Axie vastness cost certainly is figured to really arrive at a barely the most minimal cost of $8.09, exhibiting how besides Axie can in a real sense arrive at an essentially greatest value level of $9.83, which fundamentally is very critical. The Axie cost could for the most part arrive at a greatest cost of $9.06 with the by and large normal expected cost around $8.44, kind of in spite of mainstream thinking. Axie vastness value conjecture November 2023. The really normal cost of Axie boundlessness could in every practical sense go to $8.70 toward the finish of November 2023 in a very significant manner. Axie could truly be exchanging around a very greatest worth of $9.48 with the very least expected cost of $8.41 in an unpretentious manner. Axie vastness value forecast December 2023. The cost of Axie endlessness truly is for the most part anticipated to reach at least worth of $8.58 in December 2023, which generally is very huge. The Axie cost could in every way that really matters arrive at an in every practical sense most extreme worth of $9.83 with the kind of typical exchanging worth of $8.87 all through 2023, showing how besides Axie can arrive at a greatest value level of $9.83 in a kind of huge manner. Axie boundlessness especially past value examination in the very beyond 24 hours. The crypto explicitly has been explicitly diminished by 1.84% in its truly current worth in an especially significant manner. Assuming we truly look at the genuinely current market cap of the Axie with yesterday's, you can in a real sense see that the market cap truly is likewise down, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. Axie endlessness in every practical sense is confronting an all things considered difficult time jumping aboard with fundamentally other crypto coins in an unobtrusive manner. The Axie in every way that really matters is down to nearly 5.75% over the most recent 7 days in an unpretentious manner. The coin sort of is as yet showing gambling with outlining fragments for past genuinely couple of days. The coin could especially have sort major areas of strength for of at the same time. We don't essentially feel that it would a productive resource in present moment, exhibiting that Axie vastness value expectation October 2023. Concerning October 2023, Axie endlessness cost for the most part is estimate to explicitly arrive at a particularly the least cost of $8.09, showing how besides X can arrive at a by and large greatest value level of $9.83, or so they by and large thought. Inside the most recent 1 month, the cost of X explicitly diminished by 30.669%, wiping out an astounding truly normal amount of $2.88 from its ongoing worth in an especially significant manner. This unexpected down most certainly implies that the coin in every practical sense is in plunge at the present time, implying that it can especially be a sort of good really purchase a valuable open door for genuinely fast speculation, as opposed to prevalent thinking. The 90 days cost change basically is near 44.45%, and the cost in a real sense circled from a base genuinely normal cost of $10.80 to kind of most extreme really normal cost of $12.31 in the genuinely beyond 90 days, exhibiting how Axie limitlessness explicitly is confronting an especially difficult time jumping aboard within every practical sense other crypto coins, which sort of is very huge. Axie endlessness truly is somewhere near 2.00%, with the greatest genuinely normal cost of the coin by and large was around $6.96, and the kind of least exceptionally normal cost of explicitly was around $6.76 in essentially beyond 4 months, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Axie vastness value figure 2023 FAQs what will truly be Axie boundlessness essentially worth in 2023, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The Axie cost generally is estimated to generally arrive at an in every practical sense greatest degree of $9.83 with fundamentally least cost of $8.58 toward the finish of 2023. Extremely further appearance how the Axie cost especially is determined to basically arrive at a most extreme degree of $9.83 with least cost of $8.58 toward the finish of 2023, which certainly is very critical. Does Axie vastness generally have a future in an exceptionally significant manner? As far as value, Axie endlessness in every practical sense has an exceptional kind of potential to truly arrive at new levels, showing how Axie really has an all-out market cap of $762